Hi there, I'm Liz Tilley and I'm here in the blue chip suburb of St Lucia in Brisbane's inner west, where this fabulous architectural home behind me has just hit the market. So let's go and check it out. This 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom masterpiece was built in 2019 by owner Lee Pennington and spans 3 levels. The home has recently been updated with all the high-end inclusions you would expect of a modern family property. Let's start on the middle level, where this open-plan living and dining area is the hub of the home, light and spacious and with access to a number of outdoor entertaining areas. I really love this custom sandstone cladding surrounding the wall-mounted fireplace, which really gives this area a sense of warmth. No expense has been spared in making sure this kitchen caters for every occasion. You have the full suite of Miele appliances, including a gas and induction cooktops, a fully integrated fridge, a built-in coffee machine, 2 ovens and a dishwasher. A butler's pantry offers plenty of smart storage options, and sleek marble bench tops are for preparing food in style. This home was made for entertaining both indoors and out. I love how low maintenance this outdoor entertaining area is. No need to mow the lawn, you've got this artificial turf, and Italian granite tiles line the outdoor entertaining spaces and the pool. Picture yourself hosting family and friends here with your built-in beefeater barbecue while watching the kids play in the heated magnesium pool. If you fancy some peace and quiet, why not retreat to the media room at the back of the house? It features a wet bar and opens out to a courtyard with its very own hot tub. This room could also be used as a 5th bedroom or a guest suite, as it also provides direct access to a fully tiled bathroom. Upstairs, there are 4 bedrooms and an additional living area. The master suite boasts a designer ensuite with a freestanding bathtub, dual walk-in robes and tranquil garden views. Adding to the home's long list of features is a dedicated study with custom cabinetry, a temperature-controlled wine cellar, a gym, a rumpus room, a library and a mudroom. Downstairs, there's garage accommodation for 3 vehicles with additional storage. St Lucia is a highly sought-after suburb with a family-friendly vibe, just moments from grocers, cafes and restaurants in Hawken Drive, as well as Toowong Village and Indooroopilly Shopping Centre. It also sits within the coveted Ironside State School catchment, is home to the University of Queensland and just 10 minutes to the CBD. 6 Orchard Terrace is a true inner-city retreat, offering sophisticated, low-maintenance living for the real modern family. On the market now with Nick Mann of Wakely Properties. Come and see it for yourself.